Caitlin said no to live because she was afraid what?
I haven't used a pan like this before, and I didn't want to burn myself. And then
On live?
On live.
All right. Well, at least on live, I would have had my hands available for you. See, my hand would be available to help you, and I wouldn't even be holding my phone. So, but okay, we'll just do a video then. I think you got this, Caitlin.
Oh. I hope you believe in me.
I do believe in you.
I'm gonna get nervous.
Come on, Kate, you got this.
I got this.
You got this.
I got this.
I hope you got this.
I hope I got this too. Help me.
Dad. Come on, let me help you. All right.
Hot, 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 hot. Okay. Ooh, that's heavy. Oh.
We usually bake our cookies on a cookie sheet, so let's see what they look like on a cast iron. Let's see.
They don't look too bad.
They look like they're going to be a good old, nice big cookie.
You
think it'll be
ready.
too gooey?
I got
It's
my
going to be
spoon
perfect?
ready.
All right. She's going straight for the middle, isn't she?
It's a little gooey. That's okay. I gotta wait for
I was going to say, Caitlin, you ain't even going to wait and blow it off any?
I'm scared.
How about a little bite? Nope, she's taking the whole thing. Is it too hot? Is it done enough? Does it need to bake a little longer? Is it perfect?
That's really good.
Ah, don't you double dip out of that cookie. She being a thief. She's like seriously trying to eat it all, isn't she?
Good.
Hold on. Look, she was going after some more. You better get a clean spoon. Or let's get something to scoop it out. We got to share with Dad.
Oh, yeah. I'll get a bowl and a scooper. I'll scoop it out.
All right. That'll be perfect. She's fixing to eat this whole pan. You think you could eat it all by yourself?
Maybe.
If you can't today, you could tomorrow. You could finish it off, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so, well, I may taste it just because I haven't had a cookie made in a cast iron skillet, so. All right. We'll see. I want the crispy edges, though.
I like the gooey inside.
All right. How do y'all like y'all's cookies? Ooey gooey or crispy?
I like mine ooey gooey.
All right.
All right. Bye.
Tell us what y'all like.
Oh, what do y'all like?
All right. Bye.
Bye.
Caitlin done scooped out.
This is really hot.
Is it good though? All right, so let's see if I can make it where maybe, I don't know if I can, let's see. Whoops, there. I normally have it on selfie mode where I can see. There. Okay. I don't normally eat like this, but Caitlin says I need to try this crispy edge, so I like sweets a little too much. Okay, let's see. I really like that. I like how the crispiness on the outside from the cast iron. How have we not tried this before?
I don't know. I think I'm gonna do some ice cream though.
You said you couldn't do hot and cold together.
Heck, I'm gonna try it because we got some chocolate ice cream in the fridge. I love
Chocolate
making
ice cream with chocolate chip cookie. All right. She's going to be on a sugar high. She may not go to sleep tonight. I will. Y'all have a good one.
Bye.